Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a memory spread using this kit from GP Sticker Studio. This is the August Mystery Kit, so I've had this for quite a while, and I thought it would be cute in February. I like the colors, and yeah, it's just really cute. So let me go through the kit, and then I will switch to a voiceover and speed you on through. So we have the freebie here with lots of cute little icons and deco. We have a functional page. Another functional page. I love her new icons, they're really cute. Half boxes and quarters, full boxes, a big box and some glitter headers, bottom washi and washi strips, little things, full heart checklists, and the deco and date covers. So this is a giant kit, and I kind of thought about using it over 2 spreads, but I usually get bored by the time I get to the second spread with the kit, so I think I'm going to use these leftovers in the February monthly spread over here where I do my gratitude, and yeah, so that will look cute too. Alright, so we're going to switch to a voiceover and get started. So I'm going to start by laying down the bottom washi, and there are 2 strips here, so I decided to lay down the little one first, just to give me a guide, and I put a little bit of white space between the bottom boxes and between that big strip, just to give it a little bit of airiness. And then I decided to put these turquoise colored glitter headers all the way across the top. I don't always use glitter headers like this, but I thought since I had them, I might as well just use them. And then I'm going to lay down the weekend banner. I love that script, it's cute. And then I'm going to use these little flags to cover up the pink flags. It's really hard when the flags are the exact size, but I made it work. So I'm going to use this quote box. It's a quote box. It says, "Love keeps the cold out better than a cloak." I don't know what that's from, but I like it. And then I just put down a piece of washi with the This Week header. And now I'm going to put down the date covers. I chose the wood patterned ones. I just thought they would look really nice. I like the theme of this kit. It's like self-care, which I am all about. That's actually part of my 2018 goals. So I'm just laying down the date covers, and I have to white out the bottoms of some of those because they kept peeking through. And then I decided to work on Monday. So I'm going to take a little half box with the little coffee thing. I have one of those, but I don't know what they're called. And I marked that I had my formal evaluation, and I wrote a little bit about it. I wish he'd come a different period, but it was okay. I know he'll score me fairly, meaning my principal. And in the end, it doesn't really matter, and it isn't tied to anything. So it's just a growth tool. It's 1 hour in 187 days, so it's not that big of a deal. I still stress about it though because I'm a natural worrier. And then I was trying to fit in a picture of my little nephew, but I put that on hold to put down my video so I don't forget them, because I almost forget them every single time. So I'm just trimming them down and then using my dot runner to put those down so I do not forget. So I uploaded videos last week for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I actually put the wrong month on that last one. I fixed it in the actual video, but I forgot to fix it in that little image, but that's okay. So I'm just putting down a piece of washi and a label with this pic from FaceTiming with Gray and Callie is what I wrote on the label, and that he's so cute. There are no words for how cute he is. Okay, anyway, on to Tuesday, I put down a half box and put stressful GT meeting. So I am the GT coordinator, and sometimes you have to deal with situations that are stressful, and I always want to stick up for the kid, which is what I wrote. So on to the next thing. I put down this little picture over here. It's an image says brace yourselves, teachers, and it talks about January 31st and all of the weird things that actually aligned. And I wrote on the half box, luckily nothing weird happened today. And then I went back to Tuesday and I decided to, I'm just pulling some icons that I want to use later. Her icons are so cute. Okay, so I'm putting down this ice cream or frozen yogurt or whatever you want it to be, gelato perhaps, this full box. And then I found a little quarter box and put down that it was a busy day at school. And then I decided to put down a piece of deco and write a little update on grad school. So I put that I'm actually enjoying all the things that I'm doing. I really like my internship. It's been very informative and it's been busy and hard, but it's good. And then back to Wednesday. So I put down a today label and a little computer icon and put that we used VR, which is virtual reality, in my class today, and I need to explore more. So I have done it before, but it's just like super fun and I forget how fun it is and how much the kids love it. So we're definitely going to be doing some more virtual reality tours. And then I just put a little flag behind the icon just to make it stand out a little more. And then I put on this half box. It was warm enough for a walk. So I did get outside that day. And I just pulled some washi to separate that little section. And then on Thursday, I marked really quickly that little Happy Meal icon. And then on that half box at the top, I put leadership meeting, because it was so annoying. And I wrote, I'm so tired of wasting our time with nonsense. Like Sean said, just do your job. Sean's my principal. And we just have some situations we got to clean up. And we will. It's just going to take some time and effort. And so then I put down this full box with the donuts on it. I love that purple. It's so pretty. School has been really good. I'm just complaining this week because it was stressful. Anyway, I put the little workout sticker on there and had the best swim. I felt really strong and that was awesome. And then on the Happy Meal, I just wrote lots of with an arrow. Okay, so up on Friday, I put a full box with the flowers. And then just put a little label and marked that I needed an extra. And then put the little coffee icon. I needed some extra coffee. It was a long week. And then put this chartreuse colored quarter box and put prep for my day off. And then took this little screenshot of my Instagram to mark that I hit 1,300. It actually happened earlier that week, but I just forgot to put it down. My pen kind of crapped out on that label, so I'm going to go back and fix that later. Okay, I put the me time little sticker and put self-care tonight because I came home and I took a bath and I just relaxed and watched some TV and just kind of like recharged. And then above that, I decided to put some glitter headers. It took me a minute. Oh, I'm putting down these full boxes because I want to be sure to use them. So I put down 2 purple glitter headers just because I had them. And then this is where I replaced that label because it was ugly. And I took a half box and put all the YouTube support has been amazing. It really has. I'm like overwhelmed. And then I took this picture of one of my Instagram stories where Llama Letters started following me, which usually I don't like get worked up about that kind of stuff. First of all, it doesn't happen very often, but for her to follow me was kind of cool. So I put so fucking rad, as Cindy would say. And then put down this full box with the girl reading, and then a half box 3-way FaceTiming with my family. It wasn't really FaceTime. It was like 3-way face messaging on Facebook. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it works and it was super cool. We had fun. We're going to do that way more often. And then I don't know what I'm searching for. Oh, I found this little label and I put the movie time sticker and put One Tree Hill because One Tree Hill's on Hulu now and it gives me major like retro vibes from college. I used to love that show, and I've watched it like over and over again, and I love it. So I'm starting over again. So I put down this half box with the donut and the coffee and put relaxed and caught up on YouTube. And then I put down this other half box and put a little heart on it and put praying for Charlotte, our sweet pup. So my family's dog, who we got when I was in high school, she is nearing the end of her life. But I wrote here, she's had such a good long life, but I'll never be ready to say goodbye. Like, I'm going to start crying right now. She's so sweet and I love her so much. So just any time now, it's going to be super sad. Okay, so then I put this quarter box and the cleaning icon and put so much cleaning. And then over in the sidebar for my little journaling section, I put down this little stool with the lotion and stuff on it, and then put down a couple more of the deco pieces, and then wrote, despite my frustrations at work, this was a great week. I love my job and I'm glad to be expanding what I'm doing. I feel better just overall, because y'all know I've struggled in the past couple months. Life is really good, even with the struggles. And that was everything. So here is my finished memory spread using this kit. I think it came out so cute. I love the colors. It's so bright and very much February. So I love the ice cream too. That's like my favorite part. So I think we are done here. Let me zoom you in real quick so you can get one last look at the spread. I used everything from the kit. I didn't pull out anything that wasn't already there. So I hope you enjoyed this spread this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye!